talking about how to take care of a plant. But before you need to know how to take care of one, you need to know if you actually want one. Because taking care of a plant is like taking care of an animal without the poop, but they do pee. You would also need to find a great spot around your home with enough sunlight and shade. Today we'll just be talking about plants with leaves, not any flowers or vegetables. And the topics that I'll be talking about are the materials, if you would like an indoor or outdoor plant, and what size of plant you would like. The reason I'm talking about this is because not many people know how to take care of a living animal or creature, sometimes not themselves. So a plant will help you keep up a routine in your life. The first topic is the materials. These are some of the materials you might need to start with: a shovel, rake, pruning shears, the small scissors, a pot, dirt, and gloves, with some water source. The two main important things you need to take are the water source and the dirt. Also pots if necessary, but they come with pots at the stores. Make sure you not to overfeed or over not feed enough the water for the plants, depending on its size. For example, if you give too much water for a small plant, it could drown and die. But if you give a big plant a little enough water, it could dry up and die. And for the dirt, you would need some that have enough fertilizer for it to grow big and well, and have it be moist but not too wet. And the second main topic would be the indoor or outdoor plant you might want. Depending on the plant you would like, it would be depending on how big it will grow, and if it could survive inside or outside. If you're thinking about taking care of an indoor plant, make sure you have enough room and materials for it to grow, and make sure the temperature is at a minimum so it doesn't get too warm or too cold. And if you like a outdoor plant, make sure it could survive the changing temperatures, and make sure it doesn't get direct sunlight or else they'll die. The third main topic would be the size of the plant. The size of the plant will take up a lot of space depending on where you place it. If you decide to place it next to a counter, a small plant would be fine. Or if you like just to make up space from an empty room, a big plant would help fill in that space. A plant, depending on the plant size, it also depends on how much time and care you need to take care of it. Having a big plant takes a long time and to take care of it. And for my conclusion, taking care of a plant is like taking care of an animal. And make sure it gets enough sunlight, make sure it gets enough food and water, and make sure it doesn't die while you leave.